Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share a PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have the activity, the community, chat and calendar. And in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and share a PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft Teams. So first, join or start the meeting where you'll share your presentation. So of course, I will not be starting a meeting in obvious privacy reasons. But when you do it, click on the share content button. That is an icon that looks like an upward arrow in the meeting control bar. Then in the sharing options, click on PowerPoint Live, browse and select the presentation from the available options or upload a new one from your computer. Once selected, your PowerPoint will open in Teams and you can navigate through the slides while participants follow along. Use Teams tools like annotations, chat, and reactions to keep your audience engaged. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.